Now let us answer the following questions from the chapter. First question. Who spotted the egg first? Who spotted the egg first and named the animals that said the egg belonged to them? Who spotted the egg first? Name the animals that said the egg belonged to them. Who spotted the egg first? Oli Owl spotted the egg first. Name the animal that said the egg belonged to them. Which are the animals said the egg belonged to them? Mandy Mole, Tammy Toad and Barry Berger. Mandy Mole, Tammy Toad and Barry Berger. Second question. Why did the animals get frightened? Why did the animals get frightened? The animals got frightened because there was a crack on the egg and a noise coming out of the egg. The animals got frightened because there was a crack on the egg and a noise coming out of the egg. Third question. No, this is not your egg. Who said this to whom? No, this is not your egg. Who said this to whom? All the animals said this to Barry Berger. All the animals said this to Barry Berger. And our fourth question. Don't touch that egg. This is my egg. Who said this? Who said this? Irma Eagle said this to other animals in the wood. Irma Eagle said this to all the other animals in the woods. Our fifth question. Excellent idea, Oli. Who said this? What was the idea? Why did Oli think of the idea? Excellent idea, Oli. Who said this? The Irma Eagle said this to Oli. What was the idea? The idea was that Oli would sit on Irma's back and carry the baby. Oli would sit on Irma's back and carry the baby. Why did Oli think of this idea? Why did Oli think of the idea? Why did Oli think of the idea? Oli thought of this idea. Oli thought of this idea because the Irma Eagle could not carry the baby and fly at the same time. Irma Eagle could not carry the baby and fly at the same time. The last question. Who is the hero in the story Lost and Found? Why? Who is the hero in the story Lost and Found? And why? Who is the hero in the story? Oli Owl is the hero in the story. Why? Because he found the egg first and tried to find the owner of the egg. And also he helped the eagles to carry the baby to her nest. I hope all of you understood the question answer clearly.